Hi, this is Thomas. My friends and I are at the USS Midway Museum in San Diego, California. It's an aircraft carrier turned into a museum. Let's go take a look. Look how big it is. It's so tall.
Look, is that Tauntaun? What's he doing on the ship? Hey dudes, I'm just jumping around. Yeah, I'm gonna do a big dive, dude. Oh, that was so cool, man. This is an aircraft carrier. It's so big, it can hold airplanes, jets, helicopters, and other aircraft. And that's why it's called an aircraft carrier. Right? Tunit. Let me see Tunit. Bring Tunit to barnacles. Right, Tunit? Oh yes, those are the antennas, and they're spinning. That's like the radar. Yeah, this is for communication. Yes.
I cannot go up there.
You cannot. You're right. You cannot go up there. You cannot go up there because it's so high in the sky. You can fly? What? You can fly? But we didn't bring our gut vehicles for flying today. No, but we can walk around and take a look.
And put the vehicles in the water in the bathtub.
Yeah, we can put the vehicles in the bathtub too. Yeah, I think we should take a walk around and take a look. Huh? Yeah, Tunip, they don't have kelp cakes here, but maybe they have some snacks.
But Mom some kelp cake.
Okay, maybe they have some kelp cakes. We'll look around for some kelp cakes too, alright? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Tunip, you gotta be careful, Tunip. There's a stroller that's coming, it's gonna smush you. Here, dude, you can ring the bell with Thomas. Here, ring it with Thomas.
Good job. That's great.
Oh, I'm so dizzy. Oh. All right, let's go. This is very cool, by the way.
Look at that. You want to get out?
There's some military vehicles here. The ship is so big.
Wow, this hangar is so big,
Look at that
and there's so
shiny
many
light.
planes here. Wow, look at these flight simulators. You can go, oh, dizzy in them. Wow. This is a fun part of the museum where you can go, look, one is opening up and they're getting out. Let's take a look.
This is the nicest little cafe area. You guys got no umbrella. It's so fun.
Huh? No? Okay. I got
Whoa.
Those are really cool.
Now we're on top of the aircraft carrier, and they have a lot of vehicles here. We can look at all the planes and helicopters. We can even go inside some. Do you want to go inside a helicopter? Let's go, let's check it out.
Whoa, look at that. Look how many buttons there are. They're wearing helmets and fighter planes and jackets.
That's a big missile.
Hey dude, did you like that last chopper? Well, check out this one!
Look, where's Tauntaun? Love?
Look,
Where's
Tauntaun's right here. He's gonna jump. Oh, you can go up the ramp, dude. Tauntaun, go up the ramp. Oh. Actually, it's kind of scary in there. No.
Wow, this aircraft carrier is so huge.
Wow, look at all these. Oh, we're out there by the ocean, and you can see these boats here, huh? And there's a ship in the distance. And look, and there's people down there. There's people paddling on their boats down there, huh? Let's take a closer look. A ferry over there.
Hey, how come you don't want to check out the airplanes? Last time you guys sing a song. Let's sing a song. We have yellow boat, a blue boat over there. That guy there.
Oh, awesome, Jaden. This is a semi-hauler, huh? Cool. We're at the Midway Museum, San Diego, and it's time to open.